Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In our last tutorial, we talked about is array method. And now let's talk about join method in JavaScript. So what is join method? Join method in JavaScript is used to join all the elements on an array into a single string. It accepts an optional separator as a parameter, which is used to separate the elements in a resulting string. If no separator is provided, a comma is used by default. So let's create our example for our join method. So let's create a array of fruits. Okay, set up this one. Let's use apple, banana, and let's say okay, orange. Okay, and let's create our variable that hold the value of a join string of a fruit array. So let's use the fruits, and then inside of our fruits we use join, and then like what said, if if we are not provided a parameter inside of our join, the default value is a um comma. But let's try to use a comma for our um example here, and then let's console dot log the join string. So in this example, we have an array called fruits containing the elements apple, banana, and orange. So we use the join method with a separator of comma and space to join the elements into a single string. The result string up there is the what I'm expecting here. The result output here is a string, and then the value of the string is apple, banana, and orange. So let's run our code. So as you can see here, we have apple, comma, space, banana, and orange. So the join method is useful when you want to convert an array into a readable string representation. It allows you to customize the separator based on your requirements by joining the elements of an array into a single string. You can easily display or manipulate the array contents in a concise manner. So yeah, I hope I explain and give you example to help you to understand the join method. If you have any further question, you can comment in our comment section below. So that's it, and thank you, and bye bye.